This is dubious code working through Project Euler. I'm going to start on problem 1 and I'm going to solve in Python and also solve in Java, but this is Python. So the first problem, if we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3, 5, or 9, we get 3, 5, 6, and 9. The sum of these multiples is 23. Find the sum of multiples 3 and 5 below 1,000. Alright, so this is pretty easy. I did Project Euler stuff like 10 years ago and got through, I don't know, the first 50 or 60. They get more challenging, but this is pretty easy. So all I have here is the base calling a function. So let's start with that are below 10. We start with the sum. Sum equals 0 for I in range 10. We're going to verify that we get this 23 first. If I mod 3, I'm going to use the modulus function. So if I modulus 3 equals 0, or I modulus 5 equals 0, sum plus equals I, print the answer is the string of the sum. So to go through, from 1 to 10, from 1 to 9, below 10, we expect this to be a 3, a 5, a 6, and a 9, and the answer to be 23. So let's run this and see if we get 23. The answer is 5. Okay, so I did something wrong. Sum plus equals 1, that's not right. So I found 5 things. So I actually need sum plus equals I. But this is 4 numbers. So something else is wrong because otherwise it would have been 4. So let's see what we get. Print found I of CRI. Let's see what this returns. Found I of 0. Oh, okay. Natural numbers because I'm summing 0. So in range, start at 1, although that wouldn't actually affect the outcome. And that gives us an answer 23. So that's good. So now that is the example. And so now we need up to 1,000. So for I equals 1 to 1,000. The answer is 233168. And let's try that. And it didn't, I thought I already guessed something. I don't know why. 233168. Wow, that's unexpected. So I guess I'll wait 30 seconds. Go back here. Two, three, three, 1, 6, 8. Yeah, there we go. So, solve the first one. That's Project Euler. Thanks for watching. This is Dubious Code. Thanks for watching.